To assign a task as a part of your ticket, a task being a small part of your ticket that needs to be completed before you can resolve your ticket. For tasks, you'll use the task pane at the bottom. And remember, you can drag this up so you can see the section better. To add a new task, click on New Task, and you'll see it looks a little bit like an incident where you've got the status and the ownership on the left-hand side and the details on the right. And I'll go ahead and scroll over and fill in my ticket title. And then I'll have to fill in the type of ticket, and in this case it's just a work item. Just need someone to do something. And then I can put my description in here. Then all I need to do is assign my task. If this is a task I want to take ownership of myself, I can click Take Ownership under the I Want To. But if I want to assign it to a different person, I will start by assigning it to a team. So I'll click on the Owned by Team link here. From the drop down, I will choose the team I want to assign it to and click OK. And if I want to assign it to a specific person within that team, I click on Owned By, and from the drop down I'll pick a user that belongs to that team and I'll click OK. Now, just like the journals, these save automatically. So by assigning that, my task has been emailed out to that person, so they'll be notified that they have a new task. Now, if we go back to the dashboard, let me show you how you can navigate to your tasks in Cherwell. In the My Work section of the dashboard, you'll see that there is a block here for your team's open tasks. And right now I also have a little chart here for open tasks that I own. So I can use either of those options to get into my ticket by just double clicking on this item here, and it's going to open up this task for me. Now, the first thing you want to do when you open up a task that's been assigned to you is acknowledge it. This is kind of like saying that your incident is in progress. For tasks, you acknowledge to say, yes, I've received this. I know about it. I'm working on it. So I'll click Next, Acknowledge. And then once I have finished my task, I want to come in here to the Close Details, and I can put it in, my details about the task and my close code here, and then I can click on Next Close. Now, the important thing about tasks and making sure to acknowledge and close them is that the initial ticket cannot be closed until all the tasks that are related to it have also been closed first. So it's really important when you see these tasks to acknowledge them and complete them and close them in the system so the incident owner can work through the progress and actually close that incident as well. So again, now that this task is closed, the incident would be able to continue forward and close as well. And that's tasks.